Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, let us solve a most often asked question in competitive exams. Let me read the question. Two vessels of same capacity are filled with mixture of milk and water. Milk is half a part and 1/3 part respectively, and the remaining part of the vessel is filled with water. If the mixture of these vessels is emptied in a third vessel, then what is the ratio of milk and water? Now let me explain the sum. Now there are two vessels, they are of the same capacity. Now in one, the milk is half a part, and in the other, the milk is 1/3 part. Now I'm going to take both these vessels and I'm going to empty in the third vessel. We are going to find the ratio of milk and water in the third vessel. Now for the first vessel, milk is half a part. Then automatically the water has to be the remaining half. Now for the second vessel, milk is 1/3 part. Then water has to be the remaining 2/3, which is nothing but 2/3. Now I'm going to take the first vessel and second vessel and pour it in the third vessel. Now in the third vessel, we know that milk is, in the first vessel we have 1/2 and in the second vessel I have 1/3. So let me take the LCM, it's going to be 6. I'm just going to cross multiply. So 3 plus 2, which gives me 5/6. Now again water in the third vessel. So 1/2 in the first vessel I'm going to put here and 2/3 is in the second vessel. So let me put here. Now let me find the LCM for 2 and 3. It's going to be 6. Now 2 goes in 6 3 times. Let me put 3 here, and 3 goes in 6 2 times. So 2 into 2 4. So 3 plus 4 equal to 7/6. So the ratio of milk and water in the third vessel is nothing but 5/6 is to 7/6, which is nothing but 5 is to 7. That is 5 parts of milk and 7 parts of water. So friends, we will be seeing more of this competitive based questions in the following videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.